Okay, so we're unboxing our first leaf box of wines.
See what I may order.
That we just joined.
How this works out.
For $29.99. So if you go to their website, it is $39.99 to join. If you hang out for a little bit, then they will send you a coupon for $10. So it's only $29.99. You get 6 bottles of wine. So comes pre-boxed. And inside we have what's inside? Kit of looks like a very large newsletter.
Oh, that is a very large.
It's a very large newsletter. So going for the gold, I guess there's a competition.
Yeah.
So tell us all about wine to water. And then we have, I'm assuming is a welcome packet, which we'll open right here. So this is the top 5 ways to personalize FirstLeaf. So you can change your delivery date, rate your wines, swap out your wines, update your preferences. You can buy wine a la carte, which is only like $10 a bottle if you decide you want one. So we have that. During Prohibition, barrels were often emptied of all of their wine. That's so sad. Oh, so we have a wine card.
Oh, like an index card for each wine. Very
And they're really big, so if you drink the whole bottle, you can read it.
Yes, because as you drink, your vision gets a little fuzzy.
So we got, let's see what we got here. We got a vintage Corsage Chardonnay. It's 2017.
Oh.
Which is it's from California. It's our favorite sipper, the fresh and vibrant Corsage Chardonnay. And it pairs well with oysters, crab, or scallops. And it's 14.1% alcohol. So that's pretty good. Then we've got the Cassidy Blair Cuvée. So this one I'm actually really excited to try. Here we go. The Cuvée pairs well with, pizza.
Ah, your favorite. Yes.
Grilled lamb and roasted venison. So it's got 14.25%. It's a red blend.
Oh, blends are good.
Yeah.
I do like the blends.
Looks like it's got the money on it right there. This was a wine thing they had in their trash. You're our kind of people. And then we've got a Ruskin Ridge. This is a Chenin Blanc, so nice and light from California as well.
Are all these California wines?
I think so. So the Chenin Blanc is from California and it pairs well with seafood as well. And it's got a 12% alcohol per volume. And some nice little bubbles are floating up. So now we get to, there's only one. Oh no, there's 3. Okay, never mind. I can't add. So now we've got, this is really cool, Inkscape red wine. So this looks like a blend as well. Inkscape red wine. Okay, so this is 14%.
Ooh.
It is from California, and it's a robust follow-up to the Food and Wine editor favorite in the new release from Inkscape. It has a lot to live up to. It pairs well with charcuterie, roast pork, and roasted vegetables. So,
Okay.
Tannin, the body is Not very sweet, not very fruity. So that should be really, really nice. And then we've got just a white wine blend, which is Bavaria. I don't know. It's got the star system on it. Not so, well, what am I trying to say?
The
blah, blah. You haven't even been
astrology.
Yeah, it's like the star map. What do you call those things? Constellation.
Constellation.
It's a constellation.
Jeez.
It's a consolation prize for not being able to say it. So this one, Sea Stars in the new white blend from Barriella. And this one has 13.7. It's good with salad, roasted vegetables, and scallops. It is a little bit fruity. There are no tannins because it's a white. It's got a nice light body, little acidity to it. From California as well, a vintage of 2018. And so this one I am most especially excited to try. This is our Spanish 2017 Syrah. So those are always nice and tasty. And the Syrah, taste the splendor of an expertly made Syrah in the newest release from Syrah from the specialist at it's got 13.8%. Low on the fruit. This is good with any kind of meat, chorizo, aged manchego. You could eat a block of cheese and the bottle of wine. This wine has notes of red ripe fruit, raspberry, and is bolstered by hints of rose, dark cocoa, cloves, and vanilla. We suggest pairing this with traditional dishes like chorizo and aged manchego or other hearty roasted meats. So these were the 6 wines, and not only can you write down your notes on your cards, but each one has a really pretty picture and gives you the little description of what it is, but you can also go online at FirstLeaf and rate them as you go along. So if you like one better than the other, you can do that. That's really, really great. And they tell you thanks for your order. If there's anything we can do to make your experience great, just let us know. We're here to help. And then over here, it tells you to try them, rate them, and refine your shipments as you want. Now, I think it does go up to $79.99.
I thought that's what you said. And
Yeah.
it's not every month. It's every
No.
3 or
Yeah,
6
every
or
3
something?
months, 79. It does go up to $79.99, which you can change those. You can change it to be longer, but why would you, honestly? It's wine. But when my 3 months is up, I will probably switch to maybe 4 bottles of red and 2 bottles of white because it is lighter for the summer. And we like the dark ones for winter. Yeah,
Fall and winter.
fall and winter. So I don't think that you want to know what's in the chewy box, but
You never know.
you never know. It's not going to go with the wine. So
Thank goodness.
there we go.
Sweet.
Yeah. Everything arrived intact, very well packaged. Tracking system was fabulous, and so far, really good experience.
We'll let you know after we have
We'll let you know
a couple
after we
things.
drink them. Follow-up video.